Okay, so I have a confession to make. When I discovered this, I didn't want to share it. It is no news that we like to hold information except to get something in return, right? I've been asked to share it and get something in return, and that's why I'm sharing this with you now. So you guys already saw the topic, so you know what it is about. How to make money with AI marketing tool in Nigeria this year. What if I told you that there is an AI tool that doesn't just find influencers. It finds the right one, filters out the fake followers, and manages your campaign from start to finish, thereby bringing you more money in little to no time. And yep, that exists. In today's video, I'll show you why I think this app might just change the way you approach marketing your product, marketing your service, or even marketing your business forever. Let's be honest. If you have a product, business, service, and you want to connect to the right audience, running influencer marketing campaign the old way can be so chaotic and exhausting. Searching hashtags, checking engagements manually on every video, email back and forth with the influencer, then somehow keeping track of all of it in a Google Sheet, it's really chaotic. Take it from a sales expert. In real life, that is what I do. It's just like trying to run a sales team without a CRM. You can do it, but then you know it's messy. It does not scale and it will eat up your time and energy. The good thing about Gleemo is that you can find any influencer anywhere in the world. Japanese influencer, German influencer, UK, US, Canadian influencer. Yeah, you'll find them here. They have collaboration on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and even influencers with Amazon storefronts. So your Amazon ebook can work fantastic here. Now there is a secret sauce. Gleemo's secret sauce is AI semantic search. That is, it helps you find relevant creators for your product, business, or service instead of just giving you popular ones. Okay, so let's have an example. Say you're looking for fitness creators that promote sustainable lifestyle. If you're using keyword tools, it might only show influencers who have those exact keywords in their description or in their bio. Semantic search, like what Glimo uses, will help you find creators who mention eco-friendly workouts, plant-based living, or high-impact fitness routines, because the AI understands that those are contextually related to sustainable lifestyle. How does Glimo use AI semantic search? It will scan the bio, the captions, the hashtags, and the posts. So it's not just going through the bio of the influencer or the content creator. It's not just going through the description. It's doing an in-depth search. It's going through the content itself to see what those videos are saying or the contents are saying, then knows that, oh, these are the kind of influencers you're looking for. It helps you niche down to the exact kind of creator that can push out your content. So it literally understands the meaning behind the content. It will match you with the creator who aligns with your brand. That is, even if they don't use the exact words or the exact keywords, it saves you hours and hours of manual filtering. I showed you guys earlier. And it improves targeting accuracy. Now, why is this AI semantic powerful for influencer marketing? You can find better fit influencers faster for your product, business, or service. You avoid wasting time and money on mismatches. That was me some time ago. Your campaigns get higher engagement and ROI. That is, the return on your campaigns or investment on campaign will surely be better. So you've been able to see that Glimo has AI discovery plus smart filters. This is how to use Glimo filters in real time. Let's say you're launching a skincare product. You type in eco-friendly beauty or organic skincare product. Glimo searches and shows you influencers who actually talked about that. Not just influencers who have posted about it once. Then you can now start your filters by engagement rate. It tells you that their audience are well in tune with this content by audience age, gender, and location. For instance, if you are creating a skincare product for people between the ages of 45 to 65, you know that you cannot be looking for influencers that talks about skincare product between the ages of 18 to 25. It will show you the follower count, the platform preference. It will even show you if they have worked with brands like yours before. The one that busts my head the most is the fake follower detection plus deep analytics to give you a very vivid analytics of the influencer's profile. Before you page to any influencer, Glimo shows you the numbers that matter. So call your marketing team if they have been shooting the blanks when it comes to influencer marketing or when it comes to pushing out your products the right way. This is the secret sauce. It will show you the engagement rate of the influencer, the audience breakdown, the brand affinity, and even the fake follower detection. With Glimo, there's no more paying top dollars or naira to influencers with inflated numbers. You see the truth before you spend a kobo. So call in your marketing team. If you want to increase the numbers, this is the secret sauce. Another thing that Glimo is so good at is campaign management and AI-powered outreach. With Glimo, once you have shortlisted your influencers, you can bulk message them Instead of you having to send message to individuals, then wait for them to reply, some of them will take days, weeks, even months. You don't have to do that. With Gleemo, you can track their replies easily and manage the whole campaign from one dashboard. The AI even helps you summarize the influencer responses. It will extract the key information like pricing and payment and give you suggestions on follow-up messages. No more chasing people in their DMs. Madam, I sent you a message 2 nights ago. Have you seen my email? I'm just doing a follow-up on the last email I sent to you 1 month ago. Oh God, I suffered from those guys. When I was trying to publish my ebook. Guys, story for another day. Before I discovered Gleemo. You can even assign influencers to your campaign, and Gleemo will automatically track their content performance every day. Your data analytic job just got easier. So let me share my experience with you. Aside from my personal experience, you guys know that at Fubi Finance, we engage in consultation sessions to give businesses and individuals clarity on the way forward. So I used Gleemo for a local Nigerian fashion brand. There's non-disclosure, so I can't disclose their name to you. They wanted to launch a new line, and I have discovered Gleemo at the time. So we went from scouting influencers to launching the campaign in just 72 hours. That is 3 days. Their engagement rate compared to what they used to have initially went up 3 times more. And we tracked every post automatically. I'm sure you guys are thinking at this point, is it free? Is it not free? Well, I'll tell you guys that it is free, but then there is an in-website purchase. So they offer a free search with 30 searches monthly. So if you're looking for that influencer, you will not even exhaust your count before you get them. There is no credit card needed. And then if you want to move further, you can start with their monthly plan of $59. There is no long-term lock-ins, no hidden costs. And you have 1,000 search credit per month, influencer discovery, influencer analytics, influencer management, exports to CSV, email customer support. And then you can decide to go for their yearly plan. With the yearly plan of $531, you have 1,000 credit search per month times 12. That is 12,000 credit search per year. Influencer discovery, influencer analytics, influencer management, email to CSV, email customer support, and then 25% off on your monthly subscription. So you have it at $44 per month if you're doing a yearly plan. Gleemo is perfect for indie brands, lean marketing teams, and Nigerian entrepreneurs who want to scale. That is why I keep telling you about products, businesses, services. To find an influencer for my ebook, I had to use Gleemo. So if you want, for instance, for people in the US, probably Nigerians in the US, to buy your products, you use influencers over there. Instead of you wasting time in their DMs, just go on Gleemo, search the influencers a minute, and then manage all the processes on their dashboard. You will get the perfect ebook influencer that matches your product. What I really love most about Gleemo is that Gleemo does not just give you a tool, they give you knowledge. Their blog is packed with guidelines and updates on industry trends. If you're looking to make money with influencer marketing in Nigeria this year, 2025, start with a platform that gives you the edge. Start with Gleemo. Visit Glimo.ai. I'm going to pin the link in the description and also in a comment. Their website will be pinned there. You can go there, explore it, and see what I'm talking about. Another beautiful thing is you can compare the pricing between Gleemo and other platforms, and you'll see that Gleemo is more affordable. You can start with the free tool to explore. Then you can jump on the $59 monthly, which you can't get with other platforms. And if you're a creator, a small brand, a marketing agency, or e-commerce business, this tool is made for you. Whether you're local in Nigeria or you're trying to build a global campaign, Gleemo scales with you. So if you're ready to work smarter than harder, try Gleemo. After all, there is free credit, the link to the website, the referral code, get clarity, get control, and real results with your influencer marketing.